In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attendance register in Microsoft Excel. We're going to build a simple and practical attendance sheet that helps you record daily attendance, count how many days each person was present, and calculate their attendance percentage automatically. This is a great setup if you want something clean, easy to update, and useful for school, work, training, or any group tracking. To begin, open the Excel file where you want to create your attendance register. Once the sheet is open, the first thing you need to do is create the table structure. In column A, enter the names of the people whose attendance you want to track. Then across row 1, enter the dates. This creates the basic layout of your register, with names going down the left side and dates running across the top. After the table is ready, you can start marking attendance for each person under each date. Use P for present and A for absent. Keeping the entries short like this makes the register easy to read and also allows Excel formulas to work smoothly. Try to stay consistent with the letters you use, since the formulas will depend on those exact entries. Next, calculate the total number of days present. Click on an empty cell under the total present column for the first person. In that cell, type a COUNTIF formula that checks the attendance range for that row and counts how many times the letter P appears. After pressing enter, Excel will return the total number of present days for that person. To apply the same formula to the rest of the list, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of that cell until the fill handle appears, then drag it downward. Now let's calculate the attendance percentage. Click on an empty cell under the percentage column for the first person. In that cell, enter a formula that divides the total present value by the number of attendance entries in that row using conta, and then multiply the result by 100. Press enter to calculate the percentage. Just like before, use the fill handle to drag the formula down for the remaining names. Once everything is in place, your attendance register will do the key work for you. It will track daily attendance using P and A, count total present days automatically, and calculate attendance percentages without needing manual math each time. This saves time and reduces errors, especially when you're managing multiple people over many dates. And that's it. You now have a simple Microsoft Excel attendance register that is easy to maintain and update whenever needed.